In this video, you will understand the proper installation of Git. So installation of Git is a very simple process. Just type Git download on your URL. You can select any URL. You'll find it out here. The first one is Git download. Go there, you'll find it out the latest version here. If you're using for a Windows, it will showing the directly the option here, the Windows. Otherwise, you can also select the different operating system as well. I'm selecting the Windows because I'm using the Windows right now, and 64-bit because my laptop is Windows 11. So hope you guys are also using the Windows 11. So let's do it. 64-bit. Yep. Now downloading process is completed. Let's check that where the file is available. Go in the folder. It's showing in the download folder there. Just go there. I think it's still downloading. Yep. Now show in the folder. When I go there and just double click on that, your installation process will start. So I think my installation process is already started. Yep. Yes. Just you have to give the confirmation. Yes. And installation process. Yep. It's asking for permission. Next, 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 next. And let Git decide. Yep. And recommended values, don't need to change anything. Just go there, uh, open SSH values, don't need to change anything. Just go next, 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 next. Yeah, now installation is started. Just click on install. That's it. You don't need to change anything. If you are using the first time, you don't need to change anything. But if you're using the if you already used the previously, so maybe showing the pop-up button, but you have to just click OK and go there. Just click next, next, next. So Git downloading and installation process is really very simple. Just follow it next and it will be completed. Now it's finished. So it's showing the introduction note. We don't need to read it. If you have a time, you can just also read it here. So now installation is a completed. Just search on that git bash. So it will showing the CMD in a git bash board, but you have to work on a git bash. Okay. So here my account is created and the current directory is a C user my RIT. So in your laptop, it's depend on your configuration. It's showing you the default directory. So you can see here what is the version I'm just using. Git hyphen version. So showing that Windows 2.39.2. It's an updated version. You can use it, and if you find it out any help from the Git side, just write it down. Get config and hyphen help. You just click on it. It will be open your URL where you'll find it out all kind of command here. So it will really help you. So it will find out the complete documentation. So here you can see replace all, add, get. So everything you can find it out in the same place. You don't need to go there. You don't need to search anything. Just write it down, git config hyphen help. That's it. So hope you understand how to install the Git. So you can follow the next video where you'll find it out how to push your code on a GitHub, how to apply the configuration between Git and GitHub.